the distance of a point from a plane. Distance of a point from a plane means the shortest distance from a plane. Shortest distance is always the perpendicular distance. So, we want to find the perpendicular distance of a point from a plane. So, the plane will be a given plane, the point also will be given. That is, the equations of the plane and the point given. In vector form, the point given means the position vector of that point given or known. So, we want to find the distance. So, let us have the diagram first. So, suppose the equation of the plane is r dot n is equal to d, where n is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane and d is the perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin. And now suppose this is the plane. So this is the plane. Its a perpendicular distance from the origin. This is O, which is D. And this n is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane. N is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to the plane. So this is the plane. Now, given a point, suppose it is A, and its position vector is known. So this OA, which is equal to A. So want to find the perpendicular distance from this plane. The perpendicular distance from the plane. So this is the perpendicular distance. Now for this, consider another plane which is parallel to this plane, passing through this point A, containing this A, passing through this A. So another plane, say the plane so this is the plane. Another plane parallel to this plane containing this point A. Since the second plane contains this A, its equation can be taken as r minus A dot Tn is equal to 0. Equation of the plane passing through a point and perpendicular to a vector. Perpendicular vector is this n unit vector, this same vector, because these two planes are parallel and therefore this unit vector, perpendicular vector, is perpendicular to this also. So this second plane is perpendicular to that. And this second equation can be written as this r minus A dot n equal to 0, that is this r dot n minus A dot n is equal to 0, or r dot n is equal to A dot n. And this is in the standard form. In this form. Standard form. And therefore the perpendicular distance of the second plane from the origin is A dot n. And the perpendicular distance from the origin to the second plane is this distance. This much distance. This is perpendicular to this plane, this much distance. Since these two planes are parallel, the perpendicular distance, that line, perpendicular line will be same for both the two planes, the same line. The same line. So suppose the points are, say, this is P, this is Q, and this is R. This OP distance is D, OR distance is this A dot N, this OR is equal to this distance OR is equal to A dot N, and OP is equal to this D, and this AQ is same as this RP, because this is perpendicular, the distance, and this is perpendicular, so these two lines parallel, so this distance is same as this. Okay, and therefore the distance between these two planes is this AQ, which is same as this RP, and this is equal to this D minus this OR, which is A dot N. D minus A dot N. And here we have taken this second plane in between the point and the origin. This does not be the case always. This plane can be on the other side of this plane. Then this A dot N, this A dot N will be larger. So anyway, the distance between these two planes, that is the distance of A from this first plane, is the difference of these two distances, and hence we can take the distance modulus of D minus A dot N. So this is the distance of the point A from the given plane. So remember the equation of the plane and the position vector of this point A. Position vector of point A is A. Equation of the plane is R dot N equal to D. Hence, in this case, the distance is modulus of D minus A dot N, unit vector, perpendicular to the plane. So that's all. And here, remember two results. Suppose the equation of this plane is given as this R dot capital N is equal to D, where this capital N is normal vector but not unit. It's a vector perpendicular to the plane. Then in that case, the unit vector is this N divided by modulus of N. And therefore this equation can be written as R dot N by modulus of N is equal to D by modulus of N, which is in this standard form, and therefore in this case the perpendicular distance is D by modulus of N. The perpendicular distance from the origin is D by modulus of N. Remember that this D divided by modulus of N, the perpendicular distance. And in this case, the distance of the point from the plane, this becomes this D divided by modulus of D divided by modulus of N minus this A dot N by modulus of N. Or this is equal to this D minus A dot N divided by modulus of N, modulus of this. So this is the distance. This is the distance. So remember this also. That is, if the equation of this plane is in the form A dot capital N equal to D, then the distance of the point, the plane from the origin is D by modulus of N, and in that case the distance of the point whose position vector is A from the plane is D minus A dot N by modulus of this N. So this is the distance. Remember this also. Okay. And now the distance of the point from the plane in the Cartesian form, that will be explained in the next video. Okay.